Discipline has a price. Most people are unwilling to pay it. It's the cost of saying no to the noise, the hype, and the shortcuts. Everyone wants the result, but few want the process. The process is boring. It's repetitive and quiet. While the world chases green candles, you stay still. Discipline isn't about working harder. It's about reacting less. The market is a machine, designed to transfer wealth from the impatient to the disciplined. It rewards those who can wait. Your biggest enemy isn't the chart. It's the person in the mirror. Fear will tell you to sell. Greed will tell you to overreach. Discipline tells you to follow the system, regardless of how you feel. Feelings are temporary. Systems are permanent. The Bitcoin threshold isn't just a number. It's a psychological shift. When you reach 0.1 Bitcoin, you feel the potential. When you reach 1 Bitcoin, you feel the responsibility. Discipline is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. Most investors fail in the middle, in the boring years of accumulation. They mistake silence for lack of progress. But silence is where the work is done. Every time you don't check the price, you win a small battle. Every time you stick to your plan, you build your character. Wealth is not what you see. It's what you don't spend on ego. Bitcoin is the ultimate mirror. It reflects your lack of discipline back at you. Don't let the mirror break you. Let it refine you. Pay the price of discipline now. It's cheaper than the price of regret. The signal is clear for those who listen. The noise is for those who react. Stay disciplined. Stay in the signal.